The first thing that you should do the moment you get your IELTS writing task in front of you is to understand the question. You should read your question carefully and explore all the perspective of the question, and only then you can start writing your answer. You can be the perfect writer, you might have the best vocabulary, the best structure, and everything is so perfect. You have gone through all the IELTS writing rules and you are applying it perfectly. But might be the answer that you are that you're writing is not according to the question, and everything goes in vain. Understanding the question, reading the question carefully, defining the question is really important. It's simple but not easy. Now, might be that was the reason that Einstein once said that if you give me 60 minutes to solve a problem, I would prefer to spend 55 minutes to understand it. Because once I get it, I can solve it in 5 minutes. I mean, it's not like you have to spend 55 minutes on understanding the question over here in a 60-minute task. It's just that spend at least 3, 4, 5 minutes where you're just trying to understand the question. Because once you are able to explore it, you can write the perfect answer.